Interesting facts about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. On Teachers' Day, we thank our teachers for all the efforts that they put on us to make a successful person. Teachers plays an important role in our lives. Without them, growth as an individual and a career is not possible. On 5th September, Dr. Radhakrishnan is always remembered to mark a tribute to his great contribution for the nation. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 at Tirthani in Tamil Nadu. His father and mother were Sarvapalli Veerasamy and Seethamma. His wife was Sivagamu and he was the father of 5 daughters and 1 son. Throughout his academic life, he was awarded scholarships. He joined Voorhees College in Vellore, but later he moved to Madras Christian College at the age of 17. In 1906, he had completed his master's degree in philosophy and became the professor. He was knighted in 1931 and since then, till the attainment of independence, he was addressed as Sir Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. But after independence, he came to be known as Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. In 1936, he was named as Spalding Professor of Eastern Religions and Ethics at the University of Oxford, also elected as the Fellow of the All Souls College. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly in 1946. He served as the ambassador to UNESCO and later to Moscow. In 1952, he became the first Vice President of Independent India, and in 1962, he became the second President of India. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1952. In 1954, he received German Order pour le Mérite for Arts and Science, and in 1961, the Peace Prize of the German Book Trade. In 1963, he also received the Order of Merit, and in 1975, the Templeton Prize for promoting the nation of a universal reality of God that embraced love and wisdom for all people. And amazing is that he had donated the entire prize money to the Oxford University. Do you know, to join the University of Calcutta, when Dr. Radhakrishnan was leaving Mysore University, the students of Mysore University took him to the station in a carriage which had been decorated with flowers. From 1931 to 1936, he was the Vice Chancellor at Andhra University, and from 1939 to 1948, he was the Vice Chancellor at Banaras University, and at Delhi University, he was the Chancellor from 1953 to 1962. Let us tell you that in the memory of Dr. Radhakrishnan, the Oxford University started the Radhakrishnan Chevening Scholarships and the Radhakrishnan Memorial Award. He had founded Helpage India, which is an non-profit organization for elderly underprivileged people. Since 1962, Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on 5th September every year to pay tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan on his birth anniversary. One more thing which we cannot forget about him is that when he became the President of India, he accepted only rupees 2,500 out of rupees 10,000 salary, and remaining amount was donated to the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund every month. He died on 17 April 1975. We can't forget such a humble man who had devoted his entire life in promoting the value of education and also gave Indians a new sense of esteem by gracefully interpreting Indian thought in Western terms.